section used for columns. So we can use single angles, double angles, T, channel, W, pipe, square tubing, and rectangular sections. So almost all structural shapes can be used for compression members. We can also make built-up section by using these structural shapes. Built-up sections are better for columns because the slenderness ratio in various directions may be controlled to get nearly equal values in all directions. So we can make the built-up section to equalize the slenderness ratio in both directions. For example, we have a channel section. So in that case, slenderness ratio about x-axis will be large, but slenderness ratio about y-axis will be small. So to make the slenderness ratio in both the direction equal, what we can do, we can make a built-up section. So in that case, we can adjust the spacing between the sections, as well as we can decide the shape of this built-up section, either this back-to-back channel or face-to-face channel, make the box section. So in that way, we can equalize the slenderness ratio in both the directions. So slenderness ratio about y-axis as well as about x-axis can be equalized. So when the slenderness ratio is equal in both the directions, so the capacity of section will increase, because the capacity of section in case of compression member mainly depend on the slenderness ratio. So if we have a slenderness ratio, high slenderness ratio about one axis, but a very less slenderness ratio about the other axis, so the member will bend about the higher slenderness ratio value, or about the axis which have higher slenderness ratio, mean about the weaker axis. So we need to strengthen both of the axis, or we need to make such a section or such a column which is strong in both the direction, are equally strong in both the direction. Built-up sections are economical as far as the material cost is concerned. However, the joining and labor cost is generally high, but the total cost of section may become less for a greater length. If the length of member is large, so in that case the built-up section can be a good choice, it can be a economical choice. So the joining of various elements of a built-up section is usually performed by using lacing. So we can make box section by using these angles. We can make a box section using channel section. So channel section can be combined in this way. We can combine plates as well as angle section to make I section or W section. So here is a W section with cover plates. We have cover plates to strengthen the flanges. So different possibilities are there to make the built-up section. So depending upon the requirement in which direction or about which axis you want to strengthen the section, we can decide the shape as well as the type of different members that need to be joined to make the built-up section.